Bo by itself, it looks like this. Bo, it usually used to transcribe Chinese words. Okay, bo or bo. Okay, all right. Bo at the beginning. Let's see. Just repeat it. Okay, then it tells you there are more. Okay, let's put another O here. So this bo, B-O-O means home or house. Bo. In the middle, let's see, 周波春 sadness or sad feelings. 知哦周 周. Okay, bo in the middle, just repeat it. Okay, and then chun, this is 吃 and wen chun. So 周波春 is the sadness. Okay, and then bo in the end is obo. Just write o in the beginning. At the beginning, o looks like this, and then bo obo obo obo. To wash your face by water. Wash your hands. Wash obo. Okay, let's look at bu bo wu bu. Just repeat bo. Put a dot. This is bu. Okay, bu by itself, it means to give. It's like an order, ordering someone to do something. Bu. Okay, so bu in the beginning, like a bumubi. Okay, bumubi. So bu at the beginning, and then mubi is the form, is the sign of an original verb. Okay, when you see bumbi, you know it's the original form of the verb. Okay, bumbi. Let's see in the middle, o bumbi. Okay, so o bumubi. O bumbi makes someone to be something, like a safu on bumbi. So that means make me a teacher. Okay, so and then bu in the end, like a gabu, name. Okay, ge at the beginning, ge, and then bu in the end, bu bu. Okay, let's say bo. Okay, bo. Just repeat bu, and then okay with a small tail. So this is a bo. Let's see bo. There aren't many examples of bo. So okay, one I can think of is a place called Bird. Okay, so bo bo. Okay, and then this is a place. Bird. Karen is a military post. Okay, car. This is a car, and then one. Karun, okay, it's a post for the army. So Bordeaux, it's a place. Okay, so anyway, so bo in the beginning, at the beginning. So bo. Okay, in the middle, it should look like almost the same bo. Okay, in the end, it's still almost the same. Okay, so I just made up this word. Okay, bo. Okay, if there is such a word. Okay, so anyway, at the beginning, in the middle, in the end, they should look like this.